Good morning, EYFS at Grange. It's Mr. Kerbal. I am so happy to be seeing you at school and to be learning with you and growing with you and to see all of you making so much progress. Now, the word progress, I love words. I love tasting them and thinking about them and learning about them and using them. So the word progress, it means going forwards. It means improving. It means getting better. It means you don't go backwards. You just go forwards. And the more you learn, the more progress you're making because you're growing your brain and you're growing your character and building your future today. So I was really proud of everybody on Friday because we brought our special guest, Mr. Herbert, and he saw all of you learning so brilliantly and all of you making progress. Now, this coming week on Thursday, we are going to have two special visitors from Harrow, the local authority, and they are coming to see our school and to see the learning at our school. And most importantly, they want to look for the progress that the children are making. So what I want you to do, especially on Thursday, I want you to show our visitors the way that you are CC learners. I want you to be playing and using your imagination and learning and using your mind and all the time making progress. I want to see you doing CC walking, if that's what you're supposed to do. If you're going from one group to another group, if you're going from one place to another place, you're doing CC walking with your hand on your heart, because you are a person who does good listening, uses kind words, and has great actions with kind hands and kind feet. And I want you, when you're listening to your teacher, I want you to do star sitting. I want you to sit up straight. I want you to track the speaker. That means you're really watching and listening to the speaker. And I want you to ask and respond. That means respond means to answer the teacher. Like a scholar, like somebody who's really a great learner. So you ask questions, you answer questions, and always in the right way, not interrupting anybody else, but use the system in your class. If you put up your hands to ask a question or answer, or if you use the mini whiteboard, and respect yourself and respect others. Don't let anybody distract you. Don't you distract anybody. And let's always be kind. So let's be great. Let's be Grange. Thursday, I'm looking forward to our visitors being so happy and telling me, head teacher, you have a wonderful school full of progress. I hope that you all really discuss that word progress and live that word of progress and make loads and loads and loads of progress, because you do deep learning.